Hello friends, in this vlog I am going to share 7 authentic websites that help you earn money. These websites are URL shorteners and you can short the URL of any links and share them on social media like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter and earn money. You can also share these links on WhatsApp, Telegram and other mobile apps. I will share with you only those websites which are best in the industry and I have used many of them. So let's check it out. Let's look at this website now. Now I am going to explain you top 10 websites that can help you to earn money. First one is adf.ly. I will share all the links of this website in the description of this video. Just go to the description of this video and sign up. Second website is shorte.st. Third website which I use is bc.vc. Next website is linkshrink.in. The next website is adfork.us and the next website is za.gl. Another one is ouo.io. Another one is shrinkearn.com and shrinkme.io, and the last one which I use is earn uni.site. So I am providing the links of all these sites in the description of this video as well. Just go to the description and you can earn from referral as well. I have given the referral links of mine. If please support me by signing up with that link, and the same referral link you can also share with your friends and online viewers, and they can also come up and sign up an account and you will get commission of it. So support me friends. You can sign up for an account with the shared link, my referral link given in the description of this video, and you can use these website to earn on any social media, any Android app or iOS app. You can just share the links. Keep on sharing links. Just shorten the URL by typing URL here. You can just sign up an account. You can just post any URL and just you can shorten the link from here and share it everywhere. And these sites will pay you through PayPal, Bitcoins, or directly to your bank account. There are so many ways that they can pay. So I hope now you will be able to use this website and earn money online by using URL shortener. And in case you still face any problem, just comment below and I will give you quick response. And if you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel friends. Bye bye and take care.